You remember Eastern Homes, right? Eastern Homes is sold out.
This is Eastern Homes, and Eastern Homes is getting sold out very soon. This is the cheapest C of O land I have seen in Enugu. I'm driving out from Eastern Homes, and I thought to just bring you along to show you the landmarks and everything happening here. Eastern Homes is built and developed by a company called Interbond Consults. Right here in Eastern Homes, a plot of land goes for just 1.2 million naira right now.
So this was just a reminder of what Eastern Homes looks like. That's the phase 1. Watch on, because we have good news for you, as there is a phase 2 and you do not want to miss this for anything.
Eastern Homes phase 1 is sold out. It sold for 1.2 million naira. It came with the C of O, and you also get of course, a deed of assignment when you buy. But it is at Ugwuomu, remember, right? Near Upper Room. That is Eastern Homes phase 1. That one is sold out. Now, there's a phase 2 of Eastern Homes. It is better, but it is not so big like the phase 1. So if you missed out in phase 1, I have good news. There is a phase 2, and I'll be showing you the plan in a moment. But I did this to just bring it to your notice on time so that you take action as soon as possible. So I'll be showing you the plan in a moment. Stick around. This is the plan for the phase 2 of Eastern Homes. As you can see, Eastern Homes phase 2 located also at Ugwuomu, but like I said, this is in a better place. However, it is not much, and it's also, I mean, a lot of people have rushed it already. You know, it has a C of O, like you get a deed of assignment, and these Eastern Homes, the owners of Eastern Homes usually make sure their estate is registered properly and is always in a very good location. So before I go on site to make a video of the site, I thought to just bring this your way. Look at it. This is the entire estate now. That's the phase 2 of Eastern Homes. These ones are already sold out. All here is, in fact, someone came and picked like 100 plots right here. So these ones are sold out. This one is not available. As you can see, it is reserved. Here, a company called St. Michael de Santos have taken all of these ones on red. So we just have these left. All right, all these plots here left. All these ones are not available as well. All right, so it's just these ones left. You need to call me today. Call me on 08096737668 so that I can preserve a plot for you. I'll take you to the site on inspection, and then we can book your plot. How many do you want? Yes, call me now. Let us discuss this plot right now. Eastern Homes is close to Caritas University. It's close to Upper Room. There's a market going on here. As you can see, there's a market here. It's not in the estate. It's like it shares a kind of a boundary with this part of the estate. So for you that don't want the market, this is the road here. The road is here. All right. There's a police station as well here. So this place is safe, secure, and it has a C of O, right? So you need to call me today so that we can get you a plot right here. Thank you for watching. Enjoy a fantastic day.